In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove your capacitor. Our first step, we need to remove the cabinet. And to do that on this machine, it's very easy. We just need a putty knife that we're just going to install between this seam between the cabinet and the upper console. So that'll allow us to flip the console back so we can get at the clips that hold the cabinet in place. So now we'll just release the catch on the other side. That'll allow the console to flip back. Now this machine also has a lid switch with a wiring harness that we need to unhook just by pressing that tab. And pull that harness off. Now I'm just going to take a blade screwdriver, put it down into the latch, and unhook it. So now we'll remove the same catch on this side. Again, just putting our blade screwdriver in, prying to the back, and release the catch. With that catch removed, we can now remove the cabinet from the machine simply by tipping it forward. And taking it away and set it aside. Now in this machine, it's located here on the back wall. On other machines, it may be located up here in the console area. On some, it's actually connected right to the motor or on the subframe underneath. But for today, we're dealing with the one that's here on this back wall. And to get at it, it's just a matter of releasing the cover and pulling it out. Now a capacitor is basically like a battery. It stores electricity. It builds up to a certain point, and then when it's reached that point, it'll release it. So one of the things you want to do anytime you're handling a capacitor is discharge it. We're just going to remove our leads. Now, a lot of times capacitors will just drain their energy from the circuit they're in, but you always want to make sure before you actually put your fingers to any of those terminals that it has been discharged. So the easiest way is just to take a screwdriver, one with an insulated rubber handle, and just put it across the two contacts. And in this case, there was a little charge, so there was a little spark that you may have seen. Sometimes you won't see a spark, you'll just hear a snap. But once that's been discharged, then you can handle it, you can do anything you want to it, and there's nothing to worry about.